C++? Really? You're learning a language that is released in 1985. Do you know C++ has the shittiest syntax ever made? C++ You're wasting your time in learning C++. Why are you even learning C++? That's a good question. I want to be a graphics programmer, and to do that, I have to work with APIs like OpenGL, Vulkan, DirectX, and more. These APIs will allow you to talk with the GPU and give it orders.
Your phone ringing.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water.
If you want to interact with OpenGL, for example, you can use C, C++, Python, etc. But I'll use C++ because it gives you more control, like direct memory management, close to hardware access, and other features you may know. But why don't you learn C? Okay, it has this feature and it is easier to learn than C++. Yes, but it has one thing that C doesn't have, and you guys may know it, OOP. So it's reasonable for me to learn C++. So that's it. This is the reason you are learning C++? Yes, one of the reasons. Another reason is C++ is hard to learn for a beginner like me. Yeah, what the f? I mean, if anything easy for me to learn, then why I'm making these videos? I'll answer. You're watching because you want to see my journey learning graphics programming. At this point, learning C++. And there are a lot of reasons, like the industry standard programming language, which is C++, used in most graphic APIs and libraries, cross-platform development, etc. Watch this video to discover why I want to learn graphics programming.